Hello everyone, this is Data Tips here. So today we are going to learn about the SQL aliases. So the aliases in SQLs are nothing but temporary names. A temporary name which you can give to a table or to a column. So sometimes we may have a scenario where your table name is a big or lengthy. So let me try to create an example. So I'm going to create a table which I want to provide the name something like details underscore big table. Okay, so I'm going to create a table where id will be integer and the name will be text. Okay, so once I execute this command, table has been created. Now let me insert some data as well. So I'll just put the random data xyz. Okay, and I'll execute this command. So data has been inserted. Let me do this couple of more times. Okay, so data has been inserted. Let me show you the data. So we have 3 rows in this table. So suppose there are some scenarios where you want to join this table to another table. So in that case, instead of writing this big name of the table every time, you can just give it an alias and then you can use this table. So let me create one more table. Okay, table 2. Okay, let me execute this command as well. Okay, so this command has been executed. Let me show you. Let me insert the data as well. Okay, so if I insert the data in this table, and here we have values, so I'll put the values like 2 comma ttt, right? I'll duplicate the values multiple times, so I have the data in this table as well. So now if I run this command, okay, so we have the data. So suppose I want to join these two tables. Okay, so I'll write select a star from select a star from make table this, right? If I want to join, select a star from table 2. Okay, on. So the syntax would be something like this. If you are joining the table dot id equal to table 2 dot id. Okay, so this table doesn't have that particular id which we have in the big table 1 table. So I'll just try to insert one more record with the same id. Okay, so this has been inserted. So let me show you and let me try to run this. See, so now to write this, you have to write this particular table here and this particular table with a fully qualified name here, right? So to remove the writing of the full table name everywhere, you can just give it an alias like tab 1, and I'll give it to tab 2. I'm giving it as a tab 1 and tab 2. You can give it as any name, whichever is best suitable for your alias which you can understand. And I'll write it here tab 1 then tab 2. So if I run this command, okay, see same result but less effort. I didn't have to write the full name, right? And in column, suppose I were to select some column like tab1.id, I can select tab1.id, and also in this query you can see I'm writing like this. So you can run this as well, like give it an alias like tab1, and you can run this as well, right? So you can give it like this as well. So the second scenario I would talk about giving the alias to the column, right? So in that scenario, suppose I want to sum the IDs. Okay, I want to sum the IDs from this particular table, right? So if you run this command, what will happen? It is giving you the column name as a sum and then summing up the values. So instead of getting some random column name in your selector statement, you can give it an alias as summing ID, something like this, right? So if you run this, so here you can see the column name would be changed to your alias, and that's how it is useful, like giving the alias to your tables or your columns, so that it can be more understandable and it can be less effort. Okay, so that was it about the alias. Thank you for watching.